Suppose we have only one polynomial and data are given for only one polynomial, then in this case we use spline interpolation formula. And for the whole entire data, if suppose there is only one polynomial, so then we use spline interpolation formula, that is known as cubic spline interpolation formula. Given axi yi, and suppose I is equal to 0, 1, 2, n, are given n plus 1 data point, where axi may or may not equidistance. And x0 equal to a and xn is equal to b, and we have taken x0 is a and xn is b. Now we obtain a function fx such that we obtain the function, an interpolating function for these given data which satisfy the following condition. One is fx is a linear polynomial, is a linear polynomial outside the interval. Ax0 and axn, and in the interval, actually in the interval, the function is cubic polynomial, but outside this interval the function is linear polynomial. And second condition is a of x, a of dash x, a of double dash x. And function first and second derivative are continuous. On AB, AB यहाँ भी AB लिख सकते हैं. This is x0 is taken as here A and xn is B. So here we may write AB or xn x0 xn. So AB. So here also we can write AB. And third condition is A of x is a cubic polynomial fx is a cubic polynomial and coincide with a cubic in each closed subinterval. xi and xi plus 1. And in fx is a cubic polynomial. The function fx is a cubic polynomial inside the interval AB and coincide with a cubic in each closed subinterval. And this is a closed subinterval of AB. And if we consider any closed subinterval of the closed interval AB, then in that interval this function fx coincide with a cubic polynomial, and over the interval AB the function is cubic polynomial, and each of the subinterval this function coincide with a cubic polynomial. Actually here problem is to find the spline curve. This means that we need to find the function fx in each of the subinterval, because fx is a cubic polynomial and it coincides with a cubic polynomial in each of the subintervals. So if we determine the cubic polynomial in each of the subinterval, then we obtain the cubic spline curve. So these are the three conditions which the function fx satisfies, and if for any given entire data there is only one polynomial, then we use cubic spline interpolation formula, and in that case the interpolating function fx satisfy these three conditions. Now problem is to determine the cubic polynomial for each of the subinterval. For each of the subinterval of the given interval AB, let a cubic polynomial for the ith interval is fx is equal to ai x minus xi cube plus bi ax minus xi square plus ci ax minus xi plus di. This is the general form of a cubic polynomial for the ith interval. Actually, if suppose we subdivide this interval into subinterval, the interval may be of equidistance or may not be equidistance, depend upon the given problem. This formula is applicable for both equidistance value of x or unequal value of x. So here we assume that this is a cubic polynomial. We need to determine this polynomial for the given data. And here it is given that outside the interval fx is a linear polynomial, but inside the interval it is a cubic polynomial, and fx is a cubic polynomial coincide with cubic in each subinterval. So that is, this cubic polynomial pass through the end point of the interval xi and xi plus 1. So in a sense, suppose this is 1 is valid for both the points xi and xi plus 1. Therefore, we have fxi is equal to di. You see, this will be 0. The coefficient of ai, bi and ci will be 0. So that is, this will be di. fxi equal to di, and fxi plus 1, this is equal to ai xi plus 1 minus xi cube plus bi, it will be xi plus 1 minus xi square plus ci xi plus 1 minus xi plus di. We obtain this. Here di is fxi. This can be written as the last equation can be written as this is equal to ai into hi plus 1 cube plus bi hi plus 1 square plus ci hi plus 1 plus di, where hi plus 1 is equal to xi plus 1 minus xi. Now, from 1, we have f dash x. 1 is a cubic polynomial, f dash x. So this will be 3ai xi plus 1 minus xi. Sorry, this is x. This is x minus xi square plus 2bi x minus xi plus ci, and derivative with respect to x. We obtain this equation. So suppose this is 2 and fxi is equal to di. Suppose this is 2 and second is 3. This is 3. This is fxi plus 1 is equal to this. Suppose this is 4 and f double dash x is equal to 3 into 2 ai x minus xi plus 2bi into 1. Suppose this is 5. Now let m I is equal to f double dash xi. then 5 become, this is AMI. AMI is equal to 6 AI into XI minus XI, and 0. AXI minus AXI, this will be 0, and plus 2BI. This implies BI is equal to 1 by 2 AMI. Now BI is determined. Actually, our aim is to determine AI, BI, CI, and DI. CI is also determined. You see, no, sorry, DI. DI is FXI, it is known. And here we obtain BI. The remaining are CI and AI. We need to determine CI and AI. Again, from 5, we have F double dash XI plus 1 is equal to 6 AI XI plus 1 minus AXI plus 2BI. So this is AMI plus 1. You see here we have taken this. So AMI plus 1. This is equal to 6 AI and XI plus 1 minus XI. HI plus 1. HI plus 1 plus 2 BI is here MI upon 2. So now from this relation we have AI is equal to, this cancel, MI plus 1 minus MI divided by 6 HI plus 1. So we obtain this. Now AI is also determined. The remaining is CI. CI. Now substituting the value of, suppose BI this is 6 and suppose this is 7. Substituting the value of AI, BI and DI from 7, 6 and 2. And from 7, 6 and 2, substituting the value of AI, BI and DI in equation 1. Not in 1, in equation 3. In equation 3. And substituting the value of AI, BI and DI from 7, 6 and 2 in 3. 3 is this. So we have AF XI plus 1. AF XI plus 1 is equal to, you see, AI HI plus 1 cube. The AI is here MI plus 1 minus MI. MI plus 1 minus MI upon 6 HI plus 1. AI HI plus 1 cube. HI plus 1 cube. Plus BI. The BI is MI by 2. एच आई प्लस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस सी आई is not known, and सी आई into एच आई प्लस 1 plus di is fxi, this. So from this relation we obtain ci. So ci, this implies ci is equal to f xi plus 1 minus f xi upon hi plus 1 minus 2 hi plus 1 mi plus hi plus 1 mi plus 1 upon 6 fxi minus fxi, and this so then become this ci. Suppose this is equation number 8, 7, 8. Also from 1 not 1, also from equation number f dash x 4. From f dash x and 4 we have from 4 actually here the fx coincide with cubic polynomial in each of sub interval. So at the point xi and xi plus 1 is the sub interval. So at the point xi the slope of two curve will be same. मान लीजिए एक इंटरवल ये है, एक इंटरवल होगा xi minus 1 xi. तो here xi is common point. At this point the slope of curve, मतलब here one cubic polynomial, here another cubic polynomial. So the slope of this curve 1 and 2 at this common point will be same. So from 4 we have f dash xi is equal to this will be 0 and this will be 0, ci. Suppose this is 9. So we obtain here ci is equal to 8 given by equation 8, and ci is equal to also f dash xi, and two relation. Also from 4 f dash xi is equal to यहाँ बल्कि लिख लीजिए जो है कि the slope at the point, the slope at the point xi from 4 is this. Also f dash xi for last subinterval is for last subinterval. F dash xi लास्ट सब इंटरवल के लिए क्या होगा, यानी दैट विल बी xi minus 1 and xi, तो देन f dash xi is equal to 3ai minus 1 into xi minus xi minus 1 square plus 2 bi minus 1 into xi minus xi minus 1 plus ci minus 1. So this implies this 0, 0, sorry, not 0, xi minus 1. So this become 3ai minus 1 ahi minus 1. Sorry, hi square plus 2 bi minus 1 into hi plus ci minus 1 f dash xi. So then after using, as in previous case, same here, this will be f dash xi minus 1 ci minus 1 using ai minus 1 ci minus 1 and bi minus 1. So then we obtain using ai minus 1 and bi minus 1. जो ai आया है यहाँ पर ai को ai minus 1 कर दीजिए, तो mi minus mi minus 1 upon 6 hi. That will be ai minus 1 and bi is here 1 by 2 mi. The bi minus 1 will be a 1 by 2 mi minus 1. So after using ai minus 1 and bi minus 1, we have ci minus 1 इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, यहाँ जो सी आई है उसी को आई माइनस 1 कर दीजिए, आई को आई माइनस 1, तो एफ एक्स आई माइनस एफ एक्स आई माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई एच आई माइनस 2 एच आई एम आई माइनस 1 and plus hi mi divided by 6. We obtain ci minus 1 this. So you see we have two expression for ci. तो from ये question number, suppose this is 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. So from 10 and 11, you see f dash xi is equal to this and f dash xi is equal to ci. 10 तो एक ही है, सब इंटरवल भी है दिस, ये 10 नहीं होगा, बल्कि इसी को 9 तो 10 इसको कर लीजिए, इसको 11 कर लीजिए। तो फ्रॉम 9 and 10 f dash xi ci in 9 and f dash xi is equal to this in 10. तो from 9 and 10, from 9 and 10, so we have ci is equal to 3ai minus 1 hi square, 3ai minus 1 hi square plus 2bi minus 1 hi plus ci minus 1. Now substituting the value, here you see all values are known. Ci is known, ai minus 1 is known, bi minus 1 is known, ci minus 1 is known. Here you see ci is given by 8, this equation, and value of ci from this equation 8, and ai minus 1, bi minus 1, and ci minus 1 is given by this. So substituting the value of ai minus 1, bi minus 1, ci minus 1, and ci. So we have finally ci is, you see equation number 8. अब ये 9 का जो है सी आई एफ डैश एक्स आई इक्वल टू सी आई, ये नहीं यूज करना आपको। तो 8 एफ एक्स आई प्लस 1 माइनस एफ एक्स आई अपन एच आई प्लस 1 माइनस 2 एच आई प्लस 1 एम आई, एच आई प्लस 1 एम आई प्लस एच आई प्लस 1 एम आई प्लस 1 divided by 6. So this is ci by 8. This is by 8. And ci minus 1 is by 11. This is by 11. ci minus 1. And ai minus 1, जो ai है उसी में चेंज कर दीजिए। Here ai minus 1 will be mi minus mi minus 1. So mi 3 mi minus mi minus 1 divided by here 6 hi. This is ai minus 1 into hi square plus 2bi minus 1. It will be mi minus 1 by 2. bi is mi by 2. So bi minus 1 is mi minus 1 by 2 plus ci minus 1 here. This fxi minus fxi minus 1 upon hi and minus 2hi minus 2hi mi minus 1 mi minus 1 plus hi mi divided by 6. So we obtain this equation, and after simplification this become h I upon 6 m I minus 1 plus h I plus h I plus 1 by 3 mi plus h I plus 1 by 6 mi plus 1. This is equal to 1 upon h I plus 1 into f x I plus 1 minus f x I minus 1 upon h I f x I minus f x I minus 1. This here I is 1 2 2 n minus 1. This equation number 12 13. So this is the formula to find the cubic spline curve in the interval xi and xi plus 1. If the value of x are equidistant, then hi is equal to h. h is equal to hi plus 1 is equal to hi. If values of x are equally spaced, then h I plus 1 will be hi and hi minus 1 आया नहीं आया तो जरूरत नहीं, and this is equal to h say, and suppose hi plus 1 equal to hi, and suppose this is h, then above formula become mi plus 1 mi minus 1 plus 4 mi plus mi plus 1. This is equal to 6 upon h square f x I plus 1 minus f x I. यहाँ आएगा 2 f x I and plus f x I minus 1 is 2 and plus f x I minus 1. This here I is equal to 1 to n minus 1, and the value of x are equidistant, then the cubic polynomial is obtained from this equation. An spline curve for the ith interval is obtained by this equation. Suppose this is 40. So now substituting the value of ai, bi, ci and di, and h is equal to ah, 1 become fx is equal to, and this is the condition satisfied by the function fx and the cubic curve for ith interval will be 1 upon 6h, and here substituting the value of ai, bi, ci and di for h is equal to hi plus 1 is equal to hi. So we have the cubic polynomial 1 upon 6 h xi minus x cube into mi minus 1 plus x minus xi minus 1 square already cube mi plus 1 upon h xi minus x into fxi minus 1 minus h square by 6 mi minus 1, this plus 1 by h xi minus x, यहाँ xi नहीं आएगा, this will be x minus xi minus 1, and substitute the value of ai, bi, ci and di with hi equal to hi plus 1 equal to hi equal to h and equal equidistance value. So the cubic spline curve is given by fx is equal to this. ये आपको करना पड़ेगा तब आएगा, डायरेक्ट नहीं आएगा. into fxi minus h square by 6 mi, this, and I is equal to 1 to n. You remember here in the cubic spline curve I is equal to 1 to n, and the first subinterval the cubic curve, second subinterval nth subinterval cubic curve is given by this, and here the relation between m I and mi plus 1 mi minus 1 is given by this, where I is 1 to n minus 1. This is important point कि here I is 1 to n minus 1 and here I 1 to n. So for each of the subinterval you need to solve this equation 15 together with equation 14. Here by solving 14 we obtain mi plus 1 mi minus 1, and then substituting the value of mi minus 1 mi plus 1 in this equation 15 we obtain the cubic spline curve. So this formula you need to remember to solve the question 14 and 15. Consider one question, then it will be clear. Obtain cubic spline for every subinterval given x fx 0 1 1 2 2 33 and 3 2 4 4. With the end condition and slope of the curve at the end point, with the end condition m0 is equal to 0 equal to m3. Here sub interval is 1 2 3. Here I is equal to 3. Here I is equal to 1 2 and 3. The for 1 I is equal to 1 first interval, first sub interval. You need to put the value of xi and xi minus 1. The xi will be for the first sub interval. Xi कितना होगा? Xi will be 1 and xi minus 1 will be 0 for first sub interval. So you need to calculate. Here first put the value in 14. In this problem here I will be 1 and 2 only, n minus 1. Number of sub interval is here 3. Sub interval is 3. So then relation between mi given by 14 for I is equal to 1 2. तो 1 2 तो 1 रखिए तो क्या आएगा m0 प्लस 4 m1 प्लस m2 इज इक्वल टू 6 अपॉन h. h कितना है? Here h is in the given question h is 1. Interval of difference 1 into f xi plus 1 minus 2. So f xi plus 1 will be I is here, I is taken as 1. So f x2 minus 2 f x1 plus f x0. This we obtain here, these values are known, f x2 and f x0. The f x0 is this. This is f x0, f x0, f x1, f x2 and f x3. So substitute the value in this equation, and here again given m0 and m3 is given. m0 is given 0. So we obtain one equation in m1 m2. Similarly, for I is equal to 2, so we obtained m1 plus 4 m2 plus m3 is equal to 6 f x3 minus 2 f x2 plus f x1. So substituting the value here m3 is given 0. So we obtained two equations in m1 and m2. After simplification, you will see it become 4 m1 plus m2 is equal to 180. And this equation become m1 plus m2 4 m2 is equal to 1080. So you can see, you can calculate, this become this. After solving these two equations, we obtain m1 is equal to minus 24 and m2 is equal to 276. This. So now m1 m2 is known. Now substitute the value in this 15. H is 1 for I is equal to 1. Put the value I is equal to 1 and then put the value of mi, xi minus 1. Then you will obtain one polynomial, cubic polynomial. So for I is equal to 1 in 15, for I is equal to 1 from 15, so it will be, put I is equal to 1, fx is equal to 1 upon 6 x1 minus x0. Fx is equal to I is equal to 1 means sub interval 0 and 1. 0, 1. This. So I is equal to 1 x1 minus x cube. 6 x1 minus x cube into m0. You see here 1 upon 6 and plus x minus 1 upon 6 होगा ये, this 1 upon 6 plus x minus x0 cube into m1 plus 1 upon h is 1, x1 minus x into f x0 minus 1 by 6 m0, 1 by 6 m0 plus 1 by h, 1 by h means 1 and x minus x0. fx1 minus h square by 6, 1 by 6 into m1. So now substituting the value of m0 is 0 and m1 and simplifying, this become minus 4x cube plus 5x plus 1. So this is cubic spline curve for the first subinterval. Similarly, for second I is equal to 2 and that is for the interval 1 and 2. So here substitute the value of I2 in all the equation for 15, then and equation 14. So again we obtain two equation in M and by solving 14 and substituting in 15. So we obtain the required cubic spline curve for the second interval. Similarly, for I is equal to 3, that is 2, 3. In this interval again, I put I is equal to 3 in 14 and 15 and then solve 14 for m and then substitute the value of m and xi and fxi in equation 15. So you will obtain the cubic spline curve. आंसर हम लिख दे रहे हैं क्या आएगा, for second interval 1 to fx will be 50 x cube minus 162 x square plus 167 x minus 53, and for this interval fx will be minus 46 x cube plus 414 x की स्क्वायर माइनस 985x plus 715 this. So if you will solve this question completely, then it will be clear. To solve the question, you need to remember these two equations, 14 and 15. And here I is 1 to n minus 1 in 14, and here I is 1 to n. Each of these n sub interval, actually n plus 1 values are given, the number of sub interval will be n, so I is equal to 1 to n.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
It's already 1:11, sir. Can we wind up the class now?
ठीक है, okay, now stop.
Yes, sir.
एक
Thank you, sir.
आपको सैटरडे को 10 पर जो है कि आपका एक यूज होगा, ठीक है, 10 बजे एक यूज होगा आप लोगों का सैटरडे।
Sir, so unit 2 or 3?
उसमें कर्व फिटिंग एंड न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन।
Okay, sir.
कर्व फिटिंग में ये भी आता है क्यूबिक स्प्लाइन, ठीक है, दिस इज आल्सो कर्व फिटिंग, क्यूबिक स्प्लाइन एंड न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन एंड कर्व फिटिंग, न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन इंक्लूडिंग क्यूबिक स्प्लाइन इंटरपोलेशन। ये बीच में छूटा हुआ था तो हमने कर दिया, ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can leave.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.